My name is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much. Your girl really does appreciate it, and welcome back. Either way, if you're currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, while you're in that general vicinity of subscribing, go ahead and ring the bell. That's a notification to let you know each and every time I upload something new. Now, this video on today, as you saw in our title, we are doing a review, a first impression, and creating this look using the Tribe Beauty box. Now, you know how this goes. We talk about the products that we did not use in the video, and everything else, you'll get to see exactly how we used it to create this look. Now, the only item we did not use is the Helios Anti-Pollution Youth Ampule, and this is by the company Earth Harbor. Now, look at the color of this liquid, okay? I can truly appreciate that. Now, let me take my rings off so I can show you what it kind of looks like and does. Now, it looks red in the bottle, but it comes out clear. Okay? Now, it's designed to help us with the environmental stressors. Now, I'm only putting it on my arms and my hands because you can't see it being used on my face. Now, this one, according to our description card as well as the packaging, it says, Helios worships your face by renewing skin through stem cell technology while restoring depleted antioxidants, normalizing skin's pH, and smoothing fine lines and wrinkles, and enveloping you in a sensual ritual with her velvety consistency and citrus blossom aroma. Yes, it does smell nice. It smells very nice. Now, it targets the concerns that we have regarding pollution control, fine lines and wrinkles, the after sun, and stressed out skin. Okay, now you saw me put it on. Okay, this is not, time lapse. This is real time, and it absorbs very nicely. It leaves the skin feeling very nice, not too oily. I can pick up something and it not slip out of my hand. Okay, now this is the only product that you will not get to see me use in today's video, okay? So, if you would like to see how this look was created, keep watching. that we did create on today, okay? Now, I have to say I loved working with these products. It was amazing, okay? Loved it. Okay, now, don't know which one is my favorite product as of yet, but let's just talk about what we used today, okay? Now, so far, I actually am liking this Gerard Cosmetics Cream Canvas Eye Base, and the shade I have is Cocoa. This was a pleasure to work with. I just took a brush and, you saw. And I'm very anxious to see how long it allows my shadows to look the way they do. I am pleasantly surprised. I love the way the shadow went on. It was very nice to work with. Now, this base makes the perfect canvas for your eyeshadow art while minimizing the appearance of eyelid lines and increasing the wear time of the shadow. Okay, that's the part that I am actually very interested to see what that comes out to be, because I have the challenge with my eyelids being oily, and with them being oily, the shadow doesn't last. I close my eyes and the shadow disappears into the crease. So that, I'm very, very anxious to see how that works out. Now, this Pure Defense palette, first of all, let's just take a moment and appreciate the palette itself. Okay, now, the smell of it is wonderful, but that's not what we're here for. The only thing that I do not like is I have to keep the box or cut the back of the box off to know what the names of each of the shadows are. Okay, but this is called the Anti-Pollution Eyeshadow Palette, and says it locks in inevitable looks while helping to protect skin against environmental stressors like pollution. Rich in pigment, that it definitely is. Okay, it did have a little bit of a fallout, not too much, but it was a little bit of a fallout. So I definitely liked this one as well. Oh, we got to work on this because I'm really liking the formulas that we've had for our eyeshadow palettes lately. So, but let's just take a moment about this. This is the LA Splash Dual. This is a dual-sided product. Now, I like liners like this. This one is a marker type, okay? Now, I'll tell you exactly what it says. All-in-one eyeliner duo that can be used to create an array of looks. A buildable water-based liner that contains superfine glitters in a clear base that dries down quickly and stays put with zero fallout. Okay, because it's a liquid, so it's gonna dry and it's not falling out. Now, let me just, okay, this liner, okay, I'm gonna have to keep this one away from my daughter, but I loved this liner, and I'm going to show you at another point how I cheat with making the line go thick, okay? And it has to be a liner such as this, but we will talk about that later. So I just wanted you to get another look at what the shadows look like, okay? And this is the glitter liner that's at the bottom, and this is in the shade Illusionist, okay? So yes, I like this too. And I even used it on the inner corner, as you could see. So these products I really appreciated this month. I like the way the lipstick came out. Now, I had a sample, actually a trial size of this lipstick previously, You notice I said had. I got to swatch it for you here. And then my daughter said, oh, this is nice. Okay. Haven't seen it since. So now I have my own and I'm gathering she has her own. Okay. So, and the only other product that you did not see me use, which we talked about in the beginning, was the Earth Harbor Helios Anti-Pollution Youth Ampules. Okay, and that's this one right here. This month we got 2 products that are anti-pollution products. So I do like the fact that they are helping us out with environmental stressors. That I do like. Okay, so this right here gave me the wrong name for this one. This one is actually called Trickery, and the name of the lipstick is called Illusionist. Okay, so I do like it, and I did use a dark brown liner. I didn't want it to be too harsh using a black one, but I probably would have preferred the black liner, a black lip liner around it, so it would kind of give my lips a not so large look, because yes, I do have large lips and I know that, but I'm okay with it. So I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today. I hope I shared something with you that you did not know about, or that you hadn't heard of previously. Or if you received this palette, I don't know whose dog that is that's barking, but it's not mine. Okay, now I hope that I even gave you an idea for an eyeshadow look. Okay, now remember, regardless of the season that you are in, yes, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.